Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to make liquid glass more opaque on your Mac. Apple has introduced a new liquid glass customization setting, letting you choose how translucent the interface appears. Thanks to the recent update, you can now switch between a clear look, showing more of the background behind the menus and buttons, or a tinted look that adds opacity and contrast for a bolder appearance. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac, and then we have to choose the appearance option located in the left sidebar. Then we have to head over to the liquid glass section and choose the tinted option, and you're all set. While the clear option allows you to have more transparent look, revealing the content beneath, the tinted feature lets you increase the opacity and add more contrast. It's worth pointing out that if the setting is grayed out, make sure that the reduce transparency and increase contrast features are disabled on your macOS device. Simply head over to the System Settings app and choose Accessibility. After that, select Display, and then you have to make sure that the toggles for reduced transparency and increased contrast are disabled, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily make liquid glass more opaque on your Mac running macOS 26.1 or later. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.